Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. I apologize about the wind, but today we got 2012 Lotus Evora. This one is the IPS, which for those of you who don't know is the automatic. Yeah, I was a bit at first. No, I like it. It is really, really cool. Take a look at this. I apologize for the wind, but we're taking a drive down the coast in a Lotus Evora. We've got to the part where the road gets pretty twisty. Here's your exercise. Got to the part where the road gets pretty twisty, so I figured, you know what? Let's start filming. Owner already told me this paddle shifter just needs to be re-glued. It came off the second I used the paddle, so I said, let's leave it there. But in sport mode, this thing is a 6-speed torque converter auto, but it acts more like a single clutch automatic, reminiscent of the e-gears found in Gallardos. This road's pretty heavily patrolled at most times, but we can still have some fun, some tight twisty bits. This car is fitted with the Lotus Sports exhaust. The way this car gets around these corners is just absolutely mind-boggling. At the end of the day, this is a Camry powertrain. It's a 3.5 V6 made it to a 6-speed auto. This is a Camry, but Lotus has done its tweaks and tunes to make this thing drive brakes, you actually have to put some effort into stopping the car, which I really prefer, because when you're really hounding on this car, you got to put some effort and you got to know, okay, I'm really got to slow this thing down. One thing with this road is this isn't a road to do absolute mountain bombs down. You're gonna get stuck behind traffic all the time. That's not what this road's about. This road is about sightseeing, spending time with the car, pretty sure this is a good turnaround point here, but let's go a little bit further. Actually, I didn't get a good acceleration out of that area, so wait for oncoming traffic to clear. Steering has a great weight to it. You know what these front wheels are doing. So, without further ado, Oh man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know if you could tell, but the power, yeah, it's not gonna blow your socks off, but it's so stable. You know, there was so much more left in this car, but the confidence I had in it, oh, it just blows me away. How much confidence this car inspires. I think this is gonna be my turnaround point right here. Although it says do not enter, so you know what? I will enter. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.